In this film, you will see one of England's true gems, Bath, a journey through the centuries where England comes to life. Stay with us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more journeys through time and beauty. Bath welcomed us with a morning mist. Stones and rooftops slowly dissolve into the clouds, and it feels as if time has stopped here. The city hides from view, but its spirit and history can be felt with every step. Welcome to a place where history and beauty merge into one. Bath is almost 2,000 years old. Today, it's a cozy city of about 100,000 people. A place of students, tourists, and dreamers. Here, the ancient and the modern coexist in harmony, and time seems to flow more gently than anywhere else. The Romans arrived here in the 1st century, drawn by the natural hot springs, the only ones in all of Britain. They built baths and temples, invented plumbing, sewage systems, and even underfloor heating. According to legend, a young prince named Bladude was cured of a skin disease in these waters, and went on to found the city. But one day, the empire left, and Bath became English once again. In its stones, the voice of Rome still echoes. In the 18th century, Bath bloomed once more. The Royal Crescent was built between 1767 and 1774. Within these walls once lived aristocrats and poets, dukes and generals. Today, it's a museum, a hotel, and private homes. You can still buy a flat here, if you're ready to spend a few million. But what's more valuable than money is the feeling. It's as if the 18th century England comes alive here. Pulteney Bridge, completed in 1774 and designed by Robert Adam, is unique for having shops on both sides, making it one of only 4 such bridges in the world. Beneath it lies the Pulteney Weir, a graceful crescent-shaped dam that forms a stunning waterfall. Originally built in the late Middle Ages, the weir was designed to prevent flooding and ensure safe navigation along the river. Today, Pulteney Weir serves not only a practical purpose, but stands as a key part of Bath's visual identity. Together, the bridge and weir create an atmosphere of serenity and grandeur, highlighting the timeless beauty and historical significance of the city of Bath. Bath Abbey is the heart of the city. For over 500 years, it has welcomed guests. Here, in 973 AD, the first king of England, Edgar, was crowned. Its facade is adorned with ladders of angels climbing to the heavens. Inside, light pours through giant stained glass windows. And outside, music fills the air. Street performers play their songs, perfectly in tune with the city's rhythm. In Bath, everything lives in harmony. To truly understand Bath, you have to taste it. In old pubs, a pint of beer tells more stories than any book. And in local pizzerias, modern cuisine comes alive, fresh, fragrant, full of life. Here, history meets the everyday at one table. Bath is no museum, it breathes. Musicians sing, students laugh, life flows. Modern spas continue the Roman tradition. The hills around offer views that take your breath away. Walking through the streets feels like a journey through time, one that stays with you long after you've left. We happened to catch the famous half marathon, the streets filled with energy, laughter, and music. Street performers played for the city, creating a living, festive atmosphere. And the best way to say goodbye to Bath is to see it from the water. Bath is a love you'll want to keep in your heart forever. It's more than just a city of stone and water. Here, time slows down, the past echoes from every corner, and beauty flows endlessly, like water itself. If you've already visited this wonderful city, share your favorite spot in the comments. And if you're only planning your visit, tell us which place in Bath you'd love to see first. See you in the next video. Stay with us. And don't forget to subscribe for more adventures from Bath and beyond.